Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Race Struggle. And this is part two of, trying to make my own expense tracking app because everything else really sucks. So in the last video, I discussed what I'm gonna do, and we tried out like a small POC of what I was trying to do, and it worked. So based on that, I started working with Shift UI, and I made basic, very very simple UI with it, which doesn't look that amazing, but I'd like to show you guys what I've done till now. So yeah, I'm using Swift UI and this is what I have right now. I have a normal pie chart, donut chart actually, which shows up like this, and I have some basic navigation setup. That's it, nothing major, and all of this are like is like hard coded data. So what I'm gonna do today is one, if I I think it's Command Shift A. Yeah. So if I go into dark mode, it looks extremely shit. So I need to figure out how to do that. That is what I want to do today. And second, what I want to do is fix these fonts. These are a little too big and they look very ugly on a real device. I tried running it on my iPhone and it wasn't good. And next, what I want to do is like add some more UI. So what my plan is, this is going to be like a full list of transactions. So all the transactions that happen that have been tracked, and like actually this would have like a one of those segmented views for Cupertino. Let me just show you what it means. Cupertino segmented control. Let's just see if it shows an example. Images. Yeah, this one, but like a much better looking one, like the modern one. Do I have a modern one? Sliding. Nope. Or sliding. No, but basically like the native version of iOS tabs, and one is going to be untagged transactions. So basically the transactions that have been recorded, but the app could not automatically tag them. So you can tag those, and the second would be basically all your transactions in general, separated by months. So like yeah, next is going to be this thing. I mean, this is the home page. You see this, you see like a few more small widget kind of things, which basically tells you more information about your spends. This is going to be where you can see, all your cards. So like every bank account is going to be a card. Uh, this is because I also want to put like has support for credit cards. And last one is going to be just a support me page since it's going to be open source. I'll add a buy me a coffee or sponsor me buttons here and some basic settings. So yeah, today my plan is to get some more of the UI done. Like this pie graph, this looks amazing, but it actually took a lot of time to build. And yeah, before I mean Swift has very good chart support. Like the charts library, which is inbuilt to Swift UI, is amazing. But one place that they fucked up is, this features like me hovering over these. So the thing is, Swift charts clearly knows what this is. Like if I have, it knows which object in the data that I passed, in the array that I passed, is this. So it can very well show me, excuse me, it can very well show me what this was. Like if I click on it, it should be able to return it, right? But the problem is, if I click on it, it actually returns me the angle or the distance traveled from this place. So this is 20,000, right? So if I move this here, if I put my pointer to the edge of this bar or this section, that will return 20,000. So I had to, not me, I'll be honest, I copied it from one of the blogs I found. And what I'm basically doing is finding out a sum of everything and then giving it a range. So like if the number is between 0 to 20,000, it's investments. If the number is between 20,000 to 40,000, it's going to be what is it? Education loan and stuff like that. Not really impressed, but I mean it works, so it's fine, and it is not gonna be that bad, hopefully. Let's see. Once we have a lot of transactions, which I have close to, I have like 6 or 7 transactions a day. Actually, close to 10 to 15 transactions a day. So it might get bad, but let's see how it scales. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is first fix these fonts a little bit and then try to build this because I am planning a complex UI for this. It's gonna be like a slider. I haven't decided what, but I want this part to look pretty, so I have to do that. Yeah, yeah. Let's get on to that. So let's work on some UI. One problem is my canvas for some reason isn't working at all. So even if I try to do this, it doesn't load up. It's been trying to load up for a long time. So building this UI might be like, oh, wait. Okay, that's great. It worked. So I can kill my simulator and now I can build, what? That, oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah. Please do not give up on me like this. Please do not. Yes, it is working. So yeah, let's get on to that. So let's go to home view and let's fix some of these. Yeah. First thing I'd like to do is instead of this being a last title, this is going to be just a title. Better. And this can be a subtitle, subheading, sure. Okay, better. Then what I want to do is don't look at the code. It's not the most elegant code. I mean, these should be components, but they are just, yeah, don't. This is my first time writing a proper SwiftUI application, so cut me some slack here, guys. This I can make a caption. How small is that? Not bad. And if that's a caption, I can make this 15 and I can make this arrow 30 and make the 35 and 35. How does that look? Not bad, not bad. I can still want this to be that big, but okay. Wait, hold on. If I remove this padding, no, I need the padding. But I can set this padding to dot. Um, there's no small or anything. So you can pass this to be 10, maybe. Better. So I can replicate these things here. This expense is going to be a caption. This is going to be a size 15, and this can be a size 30 with 35. And I want this padding to be 10. Save this. Okay. What I want to do is I want to try adding some padding here. Another padding modifier, but this time it's just going to be dot leading and dot trailing, and well, that can be 15. 15 might be a little too much. Let's add 10 and see. Yeah. This is much better. And I think I can make this. Actually, no. This looks fine. Yeah, much better. Now what I gotta do is let's remove. This is fine. Top 20 is fine. Why do I have another padding? Okay, that makes sense. Um, Actually, now it can actually go down to 15. Better. This looks fine. 300 is enough space for it. It should have that much space. What I want to do is, where's the annotation? So what happens is if I have, this looks fine, but this does not. So what I actually want to do is go to annotation, if title, font, blah, 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 corner radius, foreground style, by value, revenue, title. Uh, that's fine. Um, let's give this a black with opacity that much. And let's give this a foreground color of, let's say, white. It's basically the inverse of that. Um, yeah, slightly better. Mm, okay, I want to test something out. Bike EMI, right? Bike testing EMI. Let's change that to bike testing EMI. And yeah, it cuts off. Mm. But do I even want these overlays? Like I am already showing this here. I actually do not want these annotations. Let's remove the annotations. Fuck. I removed extra stuff. I just want to remove this. Yeah, better, better, much better. One problem is this is not good font hierarchy, so I'm going to change that. Let's go to Z stack. Most expenditure, call out. Let's make this caption instead of call out. Well, it's even smaller. Okay, this can be a call out. This should be title 3, but title 3 is bigger, so it should be just title. Wait, what? Oh no, yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is much better. Okay. Hmm. What do I do next? Yeah, okay. This is the fixes to the existing UI. Vehicles to load. Looks much better. What do I want to do next? So I do want to add like, heading to this box, but I can't really put a finger on it. Like I don't know what I should call that graph. Also, it has expense graph has too much top padding. What happens if I make this? Ew, one sec. Okay, I can actually remove that and let's leave this as 20. Let's make this 25 maybe. Yeah, better, much better. Much better. Okay, yeah, this looks good. What I want next, okay, wait one sec. That kind of fucked up that thing. Um, yeah, this was a bad idea. I should put in a spacer here, but that isn't working. So sure, let's do it 180. 185. Okay. Cool, this looks good now. No. Oh, fuck. No, wrong button. Yeah, it is fucked off in this. Oompa loompa da-da-da-da. Okay. Okay, what happens if I don't specify these colors? Assume they'll still be black here. Yeah. It looks much better. At least fixes that there. So let's remove these. Much better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go to these chevrons and let's remove this. Yeah, they become blue. I want them to be black. Okay. If UI change color base on color scheme. Okay, yeah. Text background color. Okay, perfect. I can do this. So Control Z. This seems like valid syntax. This valid syntax. Reference. Q Google. Da 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 da. Color lights. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I can do this. Well, that works. Ah, perfect. But what? Nope, that's not working. Oh, okay. This is UI kit shit. Nope, I don't want that. Uh, Oompa loompa doody da da. Little scheme. Testing. Oh, okay. Okay. That's nice. Let's see if this works. Dark can do dot white, else do dot black. Would you work? I don't think so. Oh, oh, what? Oh, that was simple. Nice. That worked. Um, doesn't look half bad. Uh, Oompa loompa doody-da-da. Okay, okay, we can continue for now. So what I want to do now is I want to go to content view. That's the home screen of the application. And yeah, you see this. This is a problem. And this problem can be solved from the knowledge I just got. Let's get this. Let's go all the way down here and yeah, pull this. And then let's do a color scheme equal dot dark. Actually, no, I should not do that. Let's extract this to so how do we do this? This cannot be a tertiary. Oompa loompa doody da da. Also, I need to pass a number, so that's fine. I forgot how returns. Oh yeah, returns just work like this. Mm, wait, what? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Returns are like Python. Yep. That worked. Loopad. Okay, yeah. I need to pass this function now. So it's going to be a get color of number. Mm, okay, much better. That works. Uh, let's rename this as get background color. Control C, Control V, and let's make another function. And this needs to change. So I Control X this and get foreground color gets a white and yeah, get foreground color and pass number into it. Value. Uh, what? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Got it, got it. Sometimes I do dumb shit. Actually, on a try. Can I do a dot white here directly? Oh yeah, that would work. That's nice. In that case, let's make this shorter. Uh, okay, I might have broken something. What? Get foreground color. If it's light mode, then and second this is number, then return light gray. Okay. Mm, Might have fucked up a little bit. Okay, if color scheme is light and the index and this is selected, then the background should be black. Makes sense. Otherwise, white. Makes sense. Okay, this is right. Okay, we can see that is working. For the background, if color scheme is light and it is selected, it means this, then it should be. Oh yeah, that should be black. It should never be white in the first place. Yeah, yeah. Mm, Yep, makes more sense. Works now. Perfect. Let's now go into the playable mode and Perfect. Okay, now let's say I was on the home screen. Uh, I would not want to see my transactions. I would rather, you know, what would I want? I want to keep this app simple as well. What would I want here underneath this? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we shall come back to that. For now, let's go into this. This would be easy. I just want to make a list, um, day-wise list. So let's build on this page. This page would be much easier to handle. Okay, it's the first one. Let's have this as transactions. Loompa, loompa, diddy-da-da, only if I could spell. Actually, to make this easy, let's do this. Go down and let's call it transactions. Yeah. But do I want the default styling? Actually, if I have hijacked the home page, I think I should hijack all the pages. Hmm. Also, I have a strong feeling this should be inside a tab view instead of this. I'll be able to get animations, but that's a later thing. For now, I just want to get done with all the UI so that I can figure out the logic after that. Um, because UI is going to be the easier part, and once I'm done with the hard part, I want triumph. So once I'm done with writing all the hard logic, I want to feel like triumphant and feel like, oh, yes, finally I did it. And not be like, oh, fuck, I need to write all the logic, all the UI now. So that's why I'm building it this way. Let's create a new UI file, shift view, and next, and this would be called transactions create. Oompa loompa doody da da. Just to make things easy, what I'm gonna do is let's go content view and let's copy this code. Paste it with this, and actually let's rename this to transactions view. Let's go in. Complaint cannot find transactions into yeah, transactions view, not use view. Let's go in here and let's call transaction view from here. Ah, fuck you. Yeah. Okay. Now I need to Google how to make a. This is what I love. I can just start with this. Copy all this. Move here. Let's say fuck off to this here. Navigation title come up to the list is on the list. Perfect. I don't need this v stack anymore, at least for now. Next, I copy all the state variables. Yeah, please complain. Wait. Then I copy the func load more content. Or even better, I can just copy all the content of, you know, this. Go back here, start from here till here, delete everything, and just do this. Should work. Perfect. Now if I scroll all the way down, it is loading, it adds more, and that is perfect. That is what I want. Now, what do I want to do next? First thing first, let's call this transactions. And what I want to do is, let's go to, not content view, let's go to home view. Where are you, home view? Let's copy this. Transactions, well, yeah, I have decided to hijack, so let's go here. Okay, it broke. Why did it break? Get month. I don't need that, so we can remove that for now. Let's go with transactions here. Reload. Why the fuck? Well, I would need color scheme at some point, so let's just have it. It'd be better. Also, I want to know how to format documents, like how to format this properly. That broke, that's fine because I won't need that anymore. All I need is this V stack. Next, this H stack can go away. I think I'll leave an extra bracket. Yeah, let's put this in. Let's put this in. Yep, perfect. Okay, progress view. Max, why is it? What is black and red here? Okay, whatever. Okay, what I want to add below this is if we segment control. Build a segmented picker. Is this what I want? Yes. 50 picker segmented. I want this one. Yes. Okay. Do da da. Okay. As soon as I put this, it's gonna complain, but I know how to fix it, so that should be fine. Put you down here. You're gonna complain about vehicles. Uh, can change you to. I forgot how to do that array thing. Uh, where had I done that? I had done that in home view. No, not in home view. I had done that in content view. Okay, not here. Okay. Um, 0 dot dot less than 3, and then I can just do a vehicle in tab this. It's gonna complain about segment selected items. So let's control C that. Let's create a add state var private private var this, remove this, equal to, let's say, 1. Sure, why not? Okay, exact matches called for identifier. Let's just say text hi, and I can do comma id colon backslash dots cell. The binding part isn't working, but well, I was able to show it, and also it broke everything. I think a better place to put this would be, let's first of all, I will remove the padding. Meh. And what I can do this is I can pick this up, control X this, and throw this right above the list. I need to wrap. That was accidental. Uh, embed in the stack. And let's do this. Remove this. Save. Mm, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Good. Actually, pretty good. What I want to do next is I can actually remove all of this again. Please do not complain. Yeah, not complaining. Perfect. And have a navigation title, which would be normal transactions. Yeah, not bad. Perfect. Is the binding? Oh, perfect. The binding is also working. So now I can just do this as 2, make this as 0. And what I want to do here is call this tab, and let's this be tab equal 0. Then please show untagged transactions. Otherwise, show all transactions. Perfect. And it fits, so that's great. Okay. What else do I want? Yeah, let's check out both the color schemes. It should work. I'm just using the default, so that's great. What I want to see is it should be able to. Okay, perfect. What I want to do next is I want to kind of sort of make this better instead of just having text here. First of all, I want to format this. Refactor, blah blah blah, navigate, find, blah blah blah, 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 bookmark, cut, autofill services. Convert to music as spoken track. Damn, convert text to simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese. Oh, wow, okay. That's cool. Uh, Never mind. What I want to do is, first of all, I want to find out how to do list heading. Yeah, it's not called heading that, I know. I need some water. Yeah. Oh, by the way, shout out to MKBHD. Add section header and footer. Perfect. Yeah, I just want headers. How do I do that? Okay, it needs to be a section. So every month can be a section, and yeah, okay, I can sort of can do that. Um, if number mod 10 equal 0, then create a new section with text in it. That's how it's create a section, right? With text in it, which would basically be row backslash dot number. Mm, else just do this is not gonna work. It's gonna put something very different. Yeah, But yeah, for now, just for the UI, I can do this. Later on, anyways, this function will change and I'll be returning batches of weeks. And I want this week wise. So let's see how to add footers now. Tin, 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 tin. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay, that is simple. So I can do a header and it can just be text, let's say week 2. Yeah, not bad. Pretty simple. Um, let's go back to the variations thing. Make you big. Yeah, not bad. I actually like it. It's pretty simple, but it's fine. What I want to do now is I want to customize these. DC, no, not this. This text. So this I'm gonna make a separate component for this because I'm gonna use this idea. So let's call this transaction list item. Sure, why not? And what I want is I want this to be first of all be a V stack. Actually, let's let it be. Let's look at dribble and find some inspiration. Oompa loompa da da. I am sorry, very bad at singing. Okay, how do you do transaction cards? I can name date, date time, and the amount. Not bad, not bad. Simple show, and this would actually go very well with my design. So what do we do? Okay, let's make this a simple thing. So what we are doing is we're taking an X stack with okay, let's take a environment first of all. At environment, I forgot the code for it. Content view में जाते हैं. Oompa loompa da da. Take an environment, it's stack. First thing first, what we're gonna do is put a image. Let's give it a system name of, let's say, message. That's the thing that I use everywhere. And let's give it a foreground color of color scheme is what it will dark. Then give it a dot gray. Otherwise, give it a dot, well, gray. Okay, we can fix the colors. Background, actually, foreground is going to be black or white. So if it's color scheme dark, then give it a white. Otherwise, give it a black. Background, give it. Oh, why am I so bad at this? Trust me, I am good at this, but Xcode kind of plays a little different with these shortcuts. So I mess up. Let's keep these as gray for now. Gray, gray. What I want is I want to give it a frame of, let's say, system name. I want to give it a font as well. So let's first give it a font of dot system. Size is going to be 20. Weight is going to be, I want to give it a little bit of bolder weight, and design I can go with default. Okay. Um, let's give it a frame. Let's give it a width of, it's 20, right? So 25. And let's give it a height of, again, 25. We want a square. And then let's give it some corner radius of, let's say, 15. I want it round. Say extra this here. Save. Not bad. Corner radius is bad. Let's give it a corner radius of 5 for now. Hmm. Mm, What could be wrong? Let's give it a bigger frame and let's see. Yeah, much better. And now I can give it a corner radius of 15. Yeah, cool. Nice and circly, rounded or whatever. Okay, what we want next is a V stack that is gonna have one is gonna be text. Let's just call it Ola. This is gonna be a font title. Let's give it a font of caption 2. Oh, caption 2. Okay, that is too small. Let's give it a font of call out. Call out can be the date, so we can give this a font of. I'm a little confused. Give it a font of subheading and see. What? Dot bold. Not bad. Let's put in the other text. I want it to be 22nd Jan 16 followed 19. And let's give that a font of dot call out. No. Actually, this can be call out and this can be subheading. Not bad to be honest. Yeah, not bad. Let's just give it a alignment of dot leading. Perfect. Let's give it a spacer. And what was last? The amount. So the amount can be large text. Text, let's say for now minus 100 dot font dot title, sure. Okay, it can be title dot bold. Yep, let's give this whole edge stack some padding. Much better. Now let's drop this transaction list item into the transactions. Let's replace this with this and same thing this with this and this. Loompa loompa doody da da. Drop that Mm, okay, let's remove the padding because that has some default padding on it. Not bad. Not bad to be honest. Let's scroll. Okay, let's not make this full. Let's make this regular. My transactions. Better. Title is too big. Let's try title 2. I think title 2 is smaller. Yeah, much better. It's my let's go to transactions. Yeah, much better. Let's do one thing. Let's go into this again. Yeah. One thing I want to do is this picker needs some padding. Mm, it needs only dot trailing and dot leading. nice, looks good. One thing I want to do is this is not dark enough. This needs to get darker. Can I do a dot of without secondary? That's not a thing. Dot black. I can't do black with opacity. Dark gray. Does UI color have a dark gray as well? Let's just try that. Here are UI color dot. Ignore. Yeah, I messed up. Where is it? Yeah, this is supposed to be. Wait, I'm doing it correctly. Color and then inside UI color. Yeah. Oh, there are no fucking brackets on it. UI color dot. Yeah. Do we have a yes, we do have a dark gray. Uh, Please reload. F. I'm so dumb. Yeah, much better. So let's go in here and yeah, what I would like to do is have like, a small gradient. So let's say this side, uh, it's stack, and I want to do a light greenish gradient this side. If UI gradient generator, please tell me there is something with that. Okay, it's disable dark mode. Okay, how do I delete this color? This I want to be transparent, and this I want to be slightly green. Yep, yep, yeah. RGB hex shift UI. Volume battery data. What the fuck is gradient gradient? Okay. Okay, let's see if this code works. Mm, okay, that's fine. I don't want that gradient as a variable. Just stay here, comment it for a while. And let's take a linear gradient property here, Control C, and let's do dot background. Okay, wrong place. Let's do dot background, and let's pass this. Let's grab this whole shenanigan, and let's pass this in. Failed. Fix this. Yeah, still building. Failed. Cannot convert value of type double to expected argument type RGB color space. Okay, I know what the problem is. I'm gonna do width opacity on this. Sure, let's just put it this way and see. Why are you taking so long? Okay, that worked. I can do color 0. The jaga I can just do dot transparent. I can do dot black dot. Oh, it's directly opacity. In that case, opacity 0. Nice. And I do not want it to be that green, so I can put an opacity of this as 0.6. But what should I? Acha, be even lighter to be honest. Or I can just do this as 7.5 here, 7.5 here. Looks perfect in light mode, a little darker. Okay, let's see how it works here. The transactions. Yeah, no, 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 no. I want small indications that these are okay. I think the gradient might not be the right option. Let's just remove these two and let's remove this. And let's see if we can do one side border. If you border on one side, yeah, people have Googled that. I got on one edge of an image. Well, that's simple. That is really simple. Okay, so just copy this, go to transaction list item, and let's just do a dot this, and let's make this green. What? Why are you complaining? Kind of, okay, let's add this code here. We add extension to view, and we add this code here. Well, that worked, and I just want this to be trailing. Oompa loompa Hmm, I don't like this. I mean, I want some indication. Like, there should be at least some basic indication that it's a negative and a positive transaction. But what do we do about this? Let's look at some inspiration. Let's look at some inspiration. There's no indication here. Mm, there's the obvious green text, red text. I want to do that. I love the graph here though. Nice graph. But what those two mean? Like who has I mean this makes sense, but I don't have, kind of transaction like kind of income structure which would be, like a graph to track on. I get my income once a month, salary, so that doesn't make sense for me. Tan, tara, tarara, ra, 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 ra. See, here's my problem with red and green text. Red on black doesn't look good. And like this is so light black, it's still like it's borderline gray, but it still doesn't look good. Now imagine that red text on my extremely black app. Can I do? Oh, what can I do? So my inspiration with doing this edge border was, like a small. Actually, I can do a radial gradient which starts at the edge. How does my current app does this? I use Dime, right? Let's see how does Dime handle this. Mm-hmm. Dime doesn't handle it at all. Dime just handles it with minus and plus. Okay, pluses it handles with green. That makes a lot of sense. Like green on black looks good. If I handle just pluses, that'd be great. That would actually be great. That is nice. Also, I found a really good feature in this, which I am gonna implement, which is great. It is like a search transaction. That is obvious that I was gonna do. But it also has filter, and filter has a lot of entries, and it has something called by category, which is nice. But I would rather add another feature. No, by category makes sense. I should add a by category, and then I can handle the UI for that. That should be fine. Yeah, let's just do the green text for plus and otherwise no text. Okay, so I can remove all of the code that I copied. You can go away. You can go away. And what I'm gonna do next is create UI random boolean. See, this is how good Shift is. Just has a bool dot random. Like that's so cool. Foreground color. Let's do a Pool dot random. If it's true, then do a dot green. Otherwise, just do a dot primary. Does that work? Perfect. So here. Doesn't look half bad. It looks pretty good actually. Yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. Um, yeah, yeah. I'm happy with it. Okay. I have some concerns to handle now. So yeah, I want a filter and search button here. There is a search bar. There is Cupertino's search bar. Swift UI search bar. You guys might, see me Googling a lot here, but as I've already said, this is my first proper Swift project. So don't rate. So I am actually going on basis of Google for a lot of things. For now, I'm just gonna Google everything, and later I will think of, yeah, later I'll think of optimizing stuff. Okay, new list view model. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, there's a searchable, and then it is search text. Okay, so the list gets a searchable. Oh, Talent battery data, and it takes a view model to create a view model and everything. Uh, can I do a dummy search bar? Mm, oh, there's also suggestions. That's great. Can I do a dummy search bar? First token. Let's see how user search for food. Typewriter, oh, damn, that's, yeah, I've used it. So it's, dummy search bar Swift UI. I don't want to implement it now. I just want to have like a, just want like a dummy space bar. And I put a space search bar without any more. You know what? I'ma just try it and see. Go to list and let's do a, what do you say? Or it just needs a binding string, so it can be at, say, private var search, and it could just be empty for now. And you can take search. Please work. Do not complain. Oh, well, it worked. Yeah, the search bar is here. That's nice. And it's interactive and everything. Perfect. Perfect. Uh, Now I want to do the edit thing. Hmm. If UI list filter. List filter. Pa, 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 rum, pum. I want to show a filter icon. And if UI navigation icons. Navigation bar icon. Yes. Can I put something here? Yes, please. Let's put this and see what happens. Um, okay, I can work with that. I can work with that. I don't also want search. I just want filter. Okay, it's time to open SF symbols. Oompa loompa turaranta. See, now that's how would I ever, find that? Thing is navigation title. What all did you take? Ah, yeah, that doesn't work. Shift UI collapse navigation bar on scroll. Oh, I just need to add a display mode automatic. That's all. Really? Okay, try that. Yeah, it's an navigation bar title. Oh, and I have a navigation title here. It should be called navigation bar title. How does that make a difference? That does not make a difference. Wow. Okay. Now can I add a yes, I can add a display mode and I can make this automatic. Still doesn't work. Makes sense. I don't understand how the is loading part works. Actually, I don't mind this setup. Yeah, I don't mind the setup, and I just want to do a dot foreground color dot text. What did we do here? Let's go to review. No, not review. Home view पे इन बटन्स पे क्या लगाया मैंने? Oh, I ended up doing this. Okay. Well, that's fine. Go here. Perfect. Let's go into custom variants. Yeah, this looks good. Let's go into content view now. Shift UI, transparent. Yes. Okay. Colors dot. Okay, let's do color dot white dot opacity 0.6. Yeah. Even if I make this an opacity of 0, it's still be empty because, well, yeah. But this is on a Z stack, so shouldn't really be doing that. Okay, I tried doing a dot padding and just pass a dot bottom into it. Yeah, that doesn't work. Um, hmm, hmm, hmm. Actually, it's not that bad. I'm fine with it. Okay. Next, what I want is something pretty simple. I just wanna, click on this and show modal. Let's do that. Open bottom sheet and shift UI. Okay, that seems simple enough. Transaction, and can I do this here? Yeah, that will work. Has to be on every element. Okay. Cannot find. Okay, swing trades. Yeah, that needs to be a. Loompa, loompa, da-da-da-da. Okay, now let's click on this. Nope. Well, that's weird. I see what sheet background, blah blah blah. See this. Uh, got it. Got it. And well, in that case, I don't need my sheets here. Control X this, and I can delete this. And what I can do is my button can go, well, sheet can come here. And what I can do is do a dot, get a click, no, tap, on tap gesture perform, yeah. All I want to do is a simple showing credits dot toggle. Mm, does that work? That does. Nice. That was simple. See that's why now I've started liking Shift UI. It's so easy. It's this easy to make this bottom bar thing. I'd want to show up transaction details here, but I think let's wrap up today's session, like this video here, because one, it's 1.5 hours long, and two, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's a Thursday, and I have work tomorrow. I have a bunch of work. I'm so excited to make a video about it. Once I'm done with it, and I know it's working and it's in at least stage. I just deployed it to dev today. Once it's in stage and it's working properly, I'm so excited to make a video about it because it's great. It's something amazing that I'm working on. Like it's not amazing, but it's actually very interesting. At least to me, it was very interesting. So yeah, can't wait to record a video for that. And yeah, that is about it for today. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out.